Penned by the great Massimo Tamburini, the Ducati 916 remains one of the most desirable sport bikes you can get your hands on to this day. Successors like the 996 and 998 are also quite sought after, with well-kept specimens able to fetch a very pretty penny on the second-hand market. Things are a bit different when it comes to the 999, which was designed by Pierre Terblanche and released in 2003. As a radical cosmetic departure from its predecessors, the model was met with mixed opinions from the general public. Indeed, it's something of an acquired taste visually, but what could never be denied was the superior performance compared to that of the 998. From a mechanical standpoint, the Ducati 999 was better than its forerunner in just about every way. This led to a ton of success for the Italian marque in world superbike racing, and everyday riders who didn't mind the looks were also pretty thrilled. In its base iteration, the bike could extract up to 124 ponies and 75 pound-feet, 102 Newton-meters, of torque from its 998 cubic centimeters Desmodromic L-twin, delivered at 9,500 and 8,000 RPM, respectively. All this grunt could result in a quarter-mile time of just 11 seconds and a top speed of 165 miles per hour. High-grade Brembo brakes, Marcassini wheels, and Showa suspension are also part of the equation, making the 999 a rather tantalizing mechanical package. Apparently, Pippo Rosell is well aware of this Duke's capabilities, as he is the guy behind the custom showstopper pictured in this article's photo gallery. Born in 1962, Pippo had been involved in motorcycle customization ever since the mid-90s. He went on to establish Radical Ducati in 2001 and led the firm for well over a decade, but a new endeavor got underway come 2015. That's the year when XTR Pippo was founded in the Spanish capital of Madrid, and the workshop is still going strong today. Dubbed Paprika, the Wild 999 we're about to look at was put together by Pippo's capable hands in 2019. Of course, the most notable thing about it is all the new bodywork installed throughout. The project's author sourced a stunning aftermarket body kit to replace the factory garments, its central component being a handsome fuel tank topped with a flush-mounted Litec filler cap. Additionally, the kit also included an aggressive-looking front fairing, which was fitted with an MRA windshield and an offset, yellow-tinted headlight. That sharp belly pan came in the same off-the-shelf bodywork package, as did the solo seat, aluminum subframe, and cafe racer tail section. Pippo fashioned a carbon fiber rear wheel hugger in-house, but the front fender is still the original item that came with the 2004 model 999. In the cockpit, we find a fresh pair of clip-on handlebars complete with premium master cylinders. A radial PR19 unit from Brembo controls the front brake, while the clutch is actuated via PT componentry. The clip-ons are complemented by adjustable billet aluminum rear sets built from scratch, and there's some more tasty equipment for us to talk about at the back. It comes in the form of LED lighting and an unobtrusive license plate holder, all attached to the southernmost tip of the tail. As you can imagine, removing the 999 stock fairings left a lot of unsightly wiring exposed, so Pippo had to reroute it out of view to keep things looking tidy. The wiring harness was connected to a youthful LiPo4 battery in the process, yet there are no other available details concerning the electrical upgrades. Let's have a look at the powertrain-related work performed by our protagonist. The bike's OEM exhaust system was taken out of the equation, replaced by Fresco 2-in-1 headers that end in a Spark stainless steel muffler. Power gets channeled to the rear wheel by way of aftermarket sprockets and a gold Regina drive chain. As the standard brakes and suspension goodies were absolutely fantastic, they have all been retained along with the Marcassini hoops. The rims got wrapped in Pirelli Diablo Supercorsa rubber for ample grip. Last but not least, the striking livery was executed by the local paint gurus over at Art & Ruta. It employs a dark green base over most bodywork components, along with swanky highlights and graphics done in red, white, and yellow. The whole color scheme has a snazzy motorsport vibe about it, making Paprika look ready to hit the racetrack, pop wheelies, and carve apexes. We never thought the stock Ducati 999 is as ugly as some people say, but this one-off beast from Spain is certainly more appealing. The mastermind at XTR Pipo appears to have spared no expense here, and the result of his painstaking labor speaks for itself. Just imagine how fun your track days would be with this sort of machine serving as your trusty companion. Pure bliss, if you ask me.